Ugh. Ah. So hard. I need to go to the store. I want some milk. No, I want some orange juice. Hope I can make it down. Ah! Oh! Ow! 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 Ugh. I need to fix these stairs. Ugh. Looks like I went to the electronics store instead. And the hardware store. Oh. That's it. I want it. TV plus the box. I wonder how much it is. Better lighting, please. $100 for a TV box set. It's a good deal. But where am I gonna get $100? Frick! Oh, I can just go ask my friend. Friend, oh friend, oh friend, oh friend, oh friend, oh friend. Hey, I need $100. Oh, good. I just happen to have $100 right here. Wow, how convenient. I'll give it to you if you give me some crackers. But those things cost $1. Oh. Then give me some bubble gum. Well, that stuff's free. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put this away now. My $100 bill. Okay, thanks, dude. Steal all your money? No. No. Alright. Bye. Gum. Where am I supposed to get gum from? Oh, maybe I can ask this guy. Hey, dude.
Yes.
Where can I get, gum?
What kind of gum?
5.
5 gum?
Yes.
What is 5 gum?
What type of gum?
I've never heard of 5 gum before.
Well, where can I get some normal gum?
Normal gum?
Yes.
Chewing gum?
Yes.
Already chewed gum?
No, just normal.
Secondhand chewed gum?
No. Sir?
Glue gum?
Well, you're really annoying, aren't you?
Am I annoying?
Yes.
Maybe you should ask someone else then.
Where can I get some gum? Seriously?
If you go down the road,
Okay.
2 miles, take a left, go to the 3rd stop sign, take a left, and no, you have to make a U-turn, and then you go 3 miles, and then you go, no, make another U-turn. No, I'm going the wrong way. I was going to Grandma's house here for a minute. Sorry, she doesn't have gum. She can't chew. She got bad teeth. Okay, from here, let's see. Go down 2 miles. Take a left. Are you with me?
Sure.
Are you with me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. 2 miles.
Dude, I can't take you seriously in that voice.
Take a left at the second. The second stop sign. And go to the 3rd house on the right.
Can you just tell me where?
Ask for Bob.
Okay.
And Bob will give you some gum. Okay? Happy travel.
Okay. Yeah. Where am I gonna get some gum? Well, there's a strip shirt. Maybe I can use this. Well, that annoying guy was so weird. I couldn't take him seriously in that voice, though. I guess I'm not gonna find it in this. Oh, wait! Maybe I can ask his big brother where I can get some gum. Wow, that door actually opened. Ah! Ah! Hey! Hey, Domo's big bro. You? Hey, can you, give me some... Can you tell me where I can get some gum? Oh, yeah. Go up to this guy. He kind of has an annoying voice, though. And, he'll give you directions. All I remember is, ask Bob, and he'll give you some gum. I already asked him that. Hey! Come back! What? I love you. Stupid. You suck.